Healthy pre-workout. Introduction. Importance of pre-workout nutrition. Pre-workout nutrition plays a crucial role in optimizing athletic performance and achieving fitness goals. Whether you are a seasoned athlete or a casual gym goer, what you eat before a workout can significantly impact your energy levels, endurance, strength, and recovery. This guide explores the science behind pre-workout nutrition, offers practical meal and snack ideas, and provides insights into supplements and hydration strategies to help you get the most out of your workouts. Benefits of a good pre-workout routine. A well-planned pre-workout routine offers numerous benefits. 1. Increased energy levels. Consuming the right nutrients before exercise provides your body with the fuel it needs to perform at its best. 2. Enhanced performance. Proper nutrition can improve strength, endurance, and overall workout performance. 3. Better muscle preservation. Adequate protein intake before workouts helps protect muscle mass during exercise. 4. Improved recovery. Eating the right foods before exercise can reduce muscle damage and promote faster recovery. 5. Mental focus. Certain nutrients can enhance cognitive function, helping you stay focused and motivated during your workout. The science behind pre-workout nutrition. How the body uses nutrients during exercise. When you exercise, your body relies on 3 primary sources of fuel: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Each of these macronutrients plays a specific role in powering your workout. 1. Carbohydrates, the body's preferred source of energy, especially for high-intensity workouts. Carbs are broken down into glucose, which is stored in muscles as glycogen and used during exercise. 2. Fats, a key energy source for low to moderate intensity exercise. Fats are broken down into fatty acids and used for sustained energy. 3. Proteins, primarily used for muscle repair and growth. During exercise, proteins help preserve muscle mass and support recovery. Importance of macronutrients. Carbohydrates, essential for replenishing glycogen stores, preventing fatigue, and sustaining energy levels. Proteins, crucial for muscle repair, reducing muscle soreness, and promoting recovery. Fats, important for long-duration, low-intensity workouts and overall energy balance. Timing your pre-workout nutrition. Optimal timing for consuming pre-workout meals and snacks. Timing is crucial when it comes to pre-workout nutrition. Eating too close to your workout can cause digestive discomfort, while eating too far in advance might leave you feeling fatigued. Here are some general guidelines. Large meals, consume 2 to 3 hours before your workout. Small meals or snacks, eat 30 minutes to 1 hour before exercise. How different types of exercise affect timing. Cardio workouts, focus on easily digestible carbohydrates consumed 30 to 60 minutes before exercise to provide quick energy. Strength training, include a combination of protein and carbohydrates 1 to 2 hours before your workout to support muscle repair and provide sustained energy. Pre-workout meals. Characteristics of a good pre-workout meal. A balanced pre-workout meal should include carbohydrates, to replenish glycogen stores. Protein, to support muscle repair and growth. Healthy fats, for sustained energy, especially for longer workouts. Sample meal ideas. 1. Grilled chicken with brown rice and vegetables, a balanced meal providing protein, complex carbohydrates, and fiber. 2. Oatmeal with berries and almond butter, a great option for morning workouts, offering a mix of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. 3. Greek yogurt with honey and granola, a quick and easy meal providing protein and carbohydrates. Recipes. Grilled chicken with brown rice and vegetables. Ingredients. 1 chicken breast. 1 cup cooked brown rice. 1 cup mixed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers. Olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Season the chicken breast with salt, pepper, and olive oil. 2. Grill the chicken until fully cooked. 3. Cook the brown rice according to package instructions. 4. Steam or sauté the mixed vegetables. 5. Serve the chicken over the brown rice with a side of vegetables. Oatmeal with berries and almond butter. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups water or milk, half a cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon almond butter, honey or maple syrup, optional. Instructions: 1. Cook the oats in water or milk until soft. 2. Top with mixed berries and almond butter. 3. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup if desired. Pre-workout snacks. Quick and easy snack options. 1. Banana with peanut butter, provides quick carbs and protein. 2. Apple slices with cheese, a mix of carbohydrates and protein. 3. Greek yogurt with honey, protein-rich and easy to digest. Portable snacks for on the go. 1. Trail mix, a combination of nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. 2. Protein bars, choose bars with natural ingredients and minimal added sugars. 3. Energy balls, homemade snacks made with oats, nut butter, and honey. Recipes: energy balls. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, half a cup peanut butter, a 1/4 cup honey, a 1/4 cup chocolate chips or dried fruit, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional. Instructions: 1. Mix all ingredients in a bowl until well combined. 2. Roll into small balls and refrigerate for 30 minutes. 3. Store in an airtight container for up to a week. Hydration. Importance of staying hydrated. Hydration is essential for maintaining performance and preventing fatigue during workouts. Dehydration can lead to decreased strength, endurance, and cognitive function. Best hydration practices before a workout. Drink water throughout the day, aim for at least 8 cups of water daily. Pre-workout hydration: drink 16 to 20 ounces of water 2 to 3 hours before exercise and an additional 8 ounces 30 minutes before starting your workout. Electrolyte balance. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are crucial for muscle function and preventing cramps. Sports drinks or electrolyte tablets can be beneficial, especially for intense or prolonged workouts. Pre-workout supplements. Overview of common pre-workout supplements. 1. Caffeine improves focus, energy, and endurance. 2. Creatine enhances strength, power, and muscle growth. 3. Beta-alanine reduces muscle fatigue and improves endurance. 4. BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, supports muscle recovery and reduces muscle soreness. 5. Nitric oxide boosters improve blood flow and nutrient delivery to muscles. Benefits and potential side effects. Caffeine benefits include increased alertness and performance. Side effects may include jitteriness and insomnia. Creatine benefits include improved strength and muscle mass. Side effects are generally minimal but can include water retention. Beta-alanine benefits include reduced fatigue and increased performance. Side effects may include a tingling sensation. BCAAs benefits include reduced muscle soreness and improved recovery. Side effects are rare but can include digestive discomfort. Nitric oxide boosters benefits include enhanced blood flow and performance. Side effects may include headaches. How to choose the right supplement. When selecting a pre-workout supplement, consider your specific fitness goals, tolerance to ingredients, and any potential allergies or dietary restrictions. Always start with the lowest effective dose to assess your body's response. Special considerations. Pre-workout nutrition for different types of workouts. Endurance workouts focus on high-carb meals to sustain energy over long periods. HIIT, high-intensity interval training, opt for easily digestible carbs and a moderate amount of protein. Weightlifting, combine carbs and protein to fuel muscle performance and recovery. Adjustments for morning versus evening workouts. Morning workouts: if you're exercising first thing in the morning, opt for a small, easily digestible snack like a banana or a smoothie. Evening workouts: ensure you have a balanced meal 2 to 3 hours before your workout, followed by a light snack if needed. Common myths about pre-workout nutrition. Debunking popular myths and misconceptions. 1. Myth: you don't need to eat before a workout. Fact: Proper nutrition before exercise is essential for optimal performance and recovery. 2. Myth: eating fats before a workout will slow you down. Fact: healthy fats can provide sustained energy for longer, low-intensity workouts. 3. Myth: supplements are necessary for a good workout. Fact: while supplements can enhance performance, a balanced diet can provide most of the necessary nutrients. Conclusion. Recap of key points. Importance of pre-workout nutrition: provides energy, enhances performance, and aids in recovery. Macronutrients: carbs for energy, proteins for muscle repair, and fats for sustained energy. Timing: consume meals 2 to 3 hours before exercise and snacks 30 to 60 minutes before. Hydration: essential for maintaining performance and preventing fatigue. Supplements can enhance performance but are not necessary for everyone. Final thoughts on building a healthy pre-workout routine. Creating a healthy pre-workout routine involves understanding your body's needs, choosing the right foods and supplements, and timing your nutrition to maximize performance. By following the guidelines in this guide, you can develop a personalized pre-workout strategy that supports your fitness goals and helps you achieve your best results. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of healthy pre-workout nutrition. By including detailed explanations, practical tips, and a variety of recipes, it aims to help viewers understand and implement effective pre-workout strategies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.